I'm Bud, and today I'll be showing you the Greater Good Sous Vide and why I love it and use it almost every day. There's a reason sous vide are all the rage in restaurants. It's the perfect slow cooker, gentler than a pressure cooker and more precise than a slow cook pot. So let's unbox the one from Greater Goods today and see what it's all about. You'll notice the sleek design only consisting of 2 pieces. Don't forget to check the insert when you get yours. There you'll find details on how to access the 5-year warranty. Also, there's a detailed guide on how to start the machine. And then if you want to get in contact with us and have any questions. The sous vide's design is real sleek and has a nice slip-proof rubber around the device for easy handling. A device that's easy to store and looks great in any kitchen. Today I'll be using the sous vide in this plastic container, and I'm going outside the box and making a mint syrup, which is perfect for mint julep, upping your iced tea game, or adding some zing to your hot cocoa. Not only is it really easy to use, but there is some science behind this. So as opposed to making a syrup on a stove, you don't have to worry about burning, you don't have to worry about overcooking, you don't have to worry about losing too much water. You just kind of drop the bag in and let it go. So the only step you have to worry about are these 2 pieces. Sliding the clip in and then screwing it in. I'm gonna cook at 145 for about 2 hours. It has a simple to use interface, so setting the cook temperature and timer is a real breeze. At 1100 watts, the Greater Good Sous Vide will get up to temp for us in no time. The sous vide has a great temperature range too, going as low as 68 degrees and as high as 203 degrees. So to make a mint syrup, you only need 3 ingredients. Demerara sugar, which is like a nice sugar in the raw, to 1 part water. And then you can use that to infuse with anything else. Today I'm using mint, so technically this is a mint simple syrup. Rosemary, you can use thyme, basically any kind of herb. And then you're gonna let the water displacement vacuum seal it basically. Just clip it to the side. It's crazy how quiet the sous vide cooks. The heat's helping the sugar get hydrated through the water. Also, it's helping kind of slightly cook the herbs into the syrup. So now that the flavors have incorporated, we're gonna throw it onto an ice bath for 15 minutes to stop the cooking process. All right, let's make the world's best julep. There it is, a cocktail that's existed longer than the United States. It's refreshing and strong, nice and minty. Make sure to put the Greater Goods Sous Vide in your cart now, so you can make cocktails just like this. And be sure to stick around and watch our video about how Greater Goods gives back.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use your Vesta Precision Immersa Elite. Place your container on an appropriate heat-protected surface. Add water to the container to a level above the minimum line and below the max line on the back of the device. Secure the device to the side of the container by pressing the control panel release button. Press the control panel down to clamp against the outside of the container. Plug the unit in. Press the power button and select between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Click the time temp to set the temperature while the temperature value is flashing. Click time temp to set the timer while the timer is flashing. Select Start Stop to start the heating cycle. When the water reaches the target temperature, the device will beep 3 times. Place the vacuum packed food into the water. Press the Start Stop button to start the timer. At the end of the cook cycle, the machine will beep. Press the Start Stop button to stop the pump in the heater and remove the food from the water bath. When finished using the device, press the power button and unplug the unit. Allow it to cool before draining, drying, and storing. Now you're ready to sous vide your food with Vesta Immersa Elite.
Today we're looking at a pizza set. It comes with this pan, which is stainless steel, and it has this handle that can move, or you can lock it into place just like that and then it won't bend. The pan is a good size to where it will fit your pizza, either square or circle. It's made out of stainless steel, so it's very durable. And then it has a kind of a heavy duty rubber handle on it, and it has this so you could hook it to a place, or you can easily store it like that. It also comes with a pizza cutter just like this, that's all black and stainless steel, a pizza slice remover just like this spatula, And then it also comes with this rubber spatula kind of thing that you can use to spread your sauce out with. The pan is super durable and easy to take your stuff out of. You can use it for inside or outside, and it has multi-functions. You could also use this for like a cookie cake or something of that sort. It's a good size and it's very good quality because of the stainless steel and the heavy duty rubber. But I would recommend this, and later on I'll show you how to use it. As you can see, I'm trying to get the pizza out and it's sliding out very easily. And then you can just set it directly on your counter or onto another pan. And then you can see it cooks very well and just pulls it right out of the oven without it being a hassle. And then you can leave it on top of the stainless steel, or you can pull it off using another tool. And then you can also cut your pizza on top of the pan and it won't scratch it. Now you can see I'm using the pizza slice remover and using it to put my pizza onto a plate.